Welcome to KTU online study app. So today's classes is a very much high yielding topic area in calculus of module 1. Okay, we will be going into the syllabus. What are the syllabus are very much high yielding topic. This we have discussed in our previous video also. These are the area today we are going to cover, and it is a very much high yielding topic on module 1 of calculus syllabus. So what are the topic means? We know that thing tangent and normal line, linearization and concavity. These are the area where high yielding mark, that is you will be getting a 5 mark or a 6 mark question or a 4 mark question from this area. So today's classes will be on tangent and normal line, tangent and normal line, tangent and normal line, then linearization, then we will have a concavity. So these are the area, we know the thing, these are the areas are high yielding area which maximum 4 or 5 more question will be coming, maximum 4 or 5 more question, and this topic can be possible of 3 mark also this term. In previous class, what are the topic we have studied? We have studied about the limits, continuity, and the derivatives. We have covered derivatives. Then we have covered about the second order or higher order and higher order derivatives. Then we also covered about the chain rule. Then we also covered about the implicit differentiation. So these are the area we have still now covered. So the remaining part is, these are the part which is high yielding part. So today's class we can able to cover about this high yielding part. Very much important classes and very much simple topic. If you cover derivative, limits, continuity, these topics are very much simple topic. So especially you want to be know about the derivative. If you know the derivatives, it is very much easy, very simple stuff. So derivative thing is you have learned in school also, and in previous video also we have learned about the derivative. So we will be going into the topic. So heading is what syllabus heading is. Heading is equations of tangent line and normal lines. So equations of tangent line and normal line. So I think everyone knows that thing. What is tangent line and normal lines? So let it be. Okay. Here, any curve is there, any circle or anything is there. See a line. Here is a point. Here is a point. If a point, I having a point here. So if it is a point, if a line, straight line is coming, this point we will be calling as what? This straight line we is calling as a tangent line. This is called tangent line. And what is normal line means? And what is a normal line means? Normal lines always it is a perpendicular to that point. That means this is the thing, perpendicular to that point. Normal line is always perpendicular to that point. That means when any circle or any point is there, here one point is there. In this point, any straight line is going means, straight line is passing means we will calling it as a tangent line, and perpendicular of that line is we will be calling as a normal line. So this is the concept. So in these classes you want to recollect only the formula only. That formula also you already learned. So what is the slope? So what is the slope? What is the equation of tangent line? So what is the equation of tangent line means? Equation of tangent line means you can able to say y. So equation of tangent line is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. See, in question they will be giving x naught comma y naught. So the thing is you want to use substitute the value in this formula, that is y minus y naught comma is equal to m into x minus x naught. So now you know the formula. What is m? M is equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx, slope of the curve, we know the thing, m is equal to dy by dx. This is the equation of tangent line. So what is the equation of the normal line? Normal line means that is nothing but it is divided by minus 1 by m. So same formula only, when it is equation of normal line means nothing but y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x naught. Same thing. So equation of tangent, equations of normal. Same formula. The difference is you want to identify the difference. Normal line means minus 1 by m. Tangent line means m. So these are the difference you want to know. Then the formula. Just in this topic, what you want to do is take one paper, write each and every formula like chain rule formula. Take a paper and write each and everything. What is the limit? How to identify limits? So limit, what is the thing we want to do? And continuity, what is the thing we want to do? What is the formula of chain rule? What is the formula of slope? What is the formula of tangent, equation of tangent? What is the formula of linearization? So everything you write in one plain paper, it is best to revise the content. So already you know the procedure, how to do the procedure. Procedure I will be teaching, that procedure you can able to follow. The thing you want to know is procedure, follow and observation. The three thing only I have already told you. Three thing is, one is procedure, formula and observation. So if you have these three things, you can able to master the maths. Okay, along with practice, along with practice, this is the thing. These four things if you have, you can able to master this maths topic. So we will be going to the sum. Directly we will go to the sum. So what is the thing they have asked? They have asked, find the equation of tangent line and normal line. So what is the equation of tangent line? Equation of tangent line what is the formula? That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So this is the formula, we know the thing. And what is the equations of? So what is the equation of normal line? Equation of normal line. That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to 1 minus 1 by m x minus x naught. So this is the thing you want to know. So you want to identify what is m. So what is m? What is m you want to know. So what is m? M is equal to slope of the curve. M is equal to slope of the curve we have learned. So what is slope of the curve? That is m is equal to dy by dx. So what is they have given? They have given y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. At the point they have given, at the point x is equal to 2. So what is m? M is equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx, that means you want to differentiate. You want to differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, what will happen? M is equal to dy by dx. That means dy by dx means this term will be, we know the formula. What is the thing? X power n, when we are differentiating, it will become n into x power n minus 1. So what will happen here? What is n? N equal to 3. So it will become 3 into x power 3 minus 1 minus, what is 3 constant order. So what is here? N equal to 2. So it will become into 2 into x power 2 minus 1 plus 2 into x power 1 minus 1. So what is x0? X power 0 is nothing but 1. So what is the thing you will be getting? Dy by dx is equal to 3 into x square minus 6 into this. When you are multiplying 3 into 2, it will become 6. So minus 6 into x square, x2 minus 1, it is 1. So x power 1 plus 2 into x0 is 1. So 2 into 1. So this is the thing we are getting. So dy by dx is equal to, what's the thing we are getting? 3x square minus 6x plus 2. So at the point, what is the point they have given? At x is equal to 2 they have given. So dy by dx is equal to, what's the point? That is 3 into 2 the whole square minus, in place of x, we are putting x is equal to 2. In place of x, we are putting x is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 the whole square minus 6 into 2 plus 2. So what we will be getting? That is nothing but 3 into 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 6 into 2, it is a 12 plus 2. So what will happen? That is 12 minus 12 plus 2. So what is happening? Plus 2 and minus 2 we can able to cancel. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2. So therefore Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2. What is dy by dx is nothing but m. So, m is equal to 2. So, we have identified what is the value of m. Now, applying the formula. So, what is the formula? We know the thing. So, what is the formula? We know the thing. We know the thing. Equation of tangent line is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So you want to know, so what is m? So we know that thing m is equal to what? We know that thing m is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2. So how it will become? Y minus y naught is equal to 2 into x minus x naught. Now, 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 what is x naught comma y naught? So in question, what is they have given in question? They have given x is equal to what? They have given 2. So when x is equal to 2, what will happen to y? So what is the y they have given? Y is equal to, they have given x cube, y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So this is the thing they have given as a y. Substitute the value. When you are substituting the value, what you will be getting? So when you are substituting x is equal to 2 in this equation, what you will be getting? You will be getting the value of y. So what is happen? 2 cube minus 3 into 2x whole square plus 2 into 2. So what you will be getting? So y is equal to, what is 2 cube? 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 3 into, what is 2 square? 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 2 into 2, that is 4. So y is equal to, you will be getting 8 minus 12 plus 4. So what is your y? Our y is equal to 0. So what is our y? Our y is equal to 0. So our, what is now point? Our point is point x naught comma y naught is what? Is nothing but 2 comma 0. This is the thing we have getting 2 comma 0. Just to see here, when you are substituting the value in here, when you are substituting the value, you are getting y is equal to 0, and in question they have given x is equal to 2. Okay, from here we have find out x naught comma y naught. So substituting in the value. So now substituting the equations of tangent line. So now when you are substituting equation of tangent line, what is the thing? Equation of tangent line is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So what is the value? Y minus y naught. What is y naught? Y naught is 0. So y naught is equal to 0. 0 minus, what is equal to, what is m? M is equal to 2 x minus x naught. What is x naught? X naught is 2. So 2. So our equation is y is equal to 2 into x minus 2. So this one we can also write y is equal to 2x minus 4. So this is the thing we are getting as a equations of, this is equation of tangent line. So what is the equations of normal line? So equation of normal line is is, what is the formula? That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x naught. So what is y naught? We know that thing x naught comma y naught is equal to 2 comma 0. So y minus, what is y naught? Y naught is 0. So y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 divided by, what is m? M equal to 2. So what is m? M equal to 2. So it is 2 divided by x minus 2. So what we will be getting? Y is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus 2. So this is our equation of normal line. So from here, what is the procedure you have understand? Procedure is what? Procedure is, first you want to know the equation of tangent line and normal line. Tangent line and normal line equation you want to know. This is the condition you want to know. That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m by x minus x naught is for equation of tangent line. If it is minus 1 by m x minus x naught, y minus y naught, it is for normal line. So this is the formula. This is the formula you want to know. Second thing is you want to identify m. What is m? M is equal to dy by dx. This is the thing you want to identify. This is very easy. Then they will be giving in question, even they will be giving in question they will be giving x is equal to some point at a point. At point they will be giving at point something. So using x, you can identify y value. Using x you can identify y value. So from there x naught comma y naught you can identify the value. Just substitute in the equation. Now just substitute in the equation, you will be finding the equation of tangent line and equations of normal line. So this is the procedure. That is, you want to know about equations of tangent line, then dy by dx, then just substituting and identify the value of y, then substitute everything in the equation, you will be getting your equation of normal line and tangent line. Very simple problem. If you know the derivative, it is very simple problem. If you know the equation and the derivative formula, very simple problem. We will be go to the second problem. Second problem, you just see, find the equation of tangent line and normal line. So what is the thing we want to identify? So equation of tangent line. What is equation of tangent line formula? That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So here they have given the point. If you observe here they are giving the point 1 comma 1 they have given. So next, what is the thing you want to identify? We want to identify what is value of m. M equal to what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx. So what is y? Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. So dy by dx is equal to, what is the thing formula? X power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So substituting, what is n here? N equal to 2. That means 2 into x power 2 minus 1. So what is the thing you will be getting? So you will be getting m equal to, that is m is equal to dy by dx. That is nothing but 2 into x power 1 you will be getting. 2 into x power 1 you are getting. Now, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? They have given, what is the thing they have given? They have given the point 1 comma 1. From here what I can say, this is nothing but x0 comma y0, that is x is equal to, I can take 1. So from here I can say x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, what will happen? When x is equal to 1, what will happen to the m? M is equal to, what we are getting, m is equal to 2x. M equal to 2 into x. So m equal to 2 into, what is x? X is equal to 1. So 2 into 1. So our m equal to 2. That is, m is nothing but slope of curve. Nothing but slope of the curve. So we have identified what is the value of m, and we know the point, So m we know, and point also we know, 1 comma 1. So m also we know, point also we know. So just substitute in the equation of the tangent line. So equation of tangent line is what? Tangent line is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So what will happen? It will become y minus y naught is what? 1 is equal to, what is m? M equal to 2 divided by 2 in bracket x minus x naught is 1. So your equation is 1, y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. So this is your required answer. That is nothing but y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 1. So y is equal to 2x. I am taking this 1 minus 1 here. When minus 1 is coming this side, it will become plus 1. So what will happen? That is minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. So y is equal to 2x minus 1 is the equation of tangent line. Very simple. Just you want to substitute. Now, what is the question they have asked? They have also asked about the normal line. What is the formula of normal line? So equation of normal line is, what is the formula? That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to 1 minus, that is nothing but minus 1 by m x minus x naught. So what is y minus y naught? We know the point. What is the point? Point is 1 comma 1. What is m? M is equal to 2. So just to substitute, what will be getting? Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus 1. So this is our equation of normal line, Okay, we will be going to the problem number 3. Very simple sum. Just you want to know the formula, then you want to know how to identify m, that is dy by dx. Then sometimes they will be giving the x and y point. Sometimes they will be giving either x or y point. Okay, we will be go to the problem number 3. So here, if you see in problem number 3, if you see, find the equation of tangent line and normal line. But here we want to identify the value of x and y values. For identifying x and y value, they have given a hint t is equal to 1. They have given hint t is equal to 1. So what is the question they have asked? In question, no changes are there. What is the question they have asked? They have asked, find the equation of tangent line. That is, equation of tangent line is means what? Equation of tangent line. Equation of tangent line they have asked. What is the formula of equation of tangent line? That is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So this is the thing they have asked. So what is the thing you want to find out? M you want to find out. So for finding m, what is the formula of m? M equal to dy by dx. Finding dy by dx, what we need? We need m. We need y. We need y value. So we need to identify what is the m value. See, you just see the what is the value they have given. That is y is equal to t cube minus t. That means we want to identify dy by with respect to t. That is differentiate. That is differentiate y with respect to t, that is dy by dt. This is also what is nothing but m only. This is also nothing but slope only. That is rate of change. This is also rate of change is nothing but m. So that is dy by dt. So what is y? Dy by dt is nothing but what you will be getting? Y is equal to dy by dt is equal to what you will be getting? That is t cube minus t. So y is equal to t cube minus t. So when you are differentiating, what you will be getting? This is what is the power? Power n equal to here 3. So what will happen? That will become 3 into t power 3 minus 1 minus this one t into, it will become 1. So that is nothing but t power 1, that is n equal to 1. Therefore 1 into t power 1 minus 1. What is t0? What is t0? T0 is 1. So we are writing this is the. So when we are differentiating, we are getting 3t. So when we are differentiating, we are getting dy by dt. Dy by dt is equal to 3t square minus 1. 3t square minus 1. So this is nothing but m. So this is nothing but m. So what is t? They have given m is equal to dy by dt. They have given m is equal to dy by dt at the point. What is the point they have given? At the point t is equal to 1. So what is dy by dt? That is dy by dt is 3t square minus 1. At the point t is equal to 1, substitute the value of t is equal to 1. So what you will be getting? Dy by dt is equal to 3 into 1 square minus 1. So dy by dt is equal to what you will be getting? That is nothing but 3 minus 1. So m is equal to, this m raised to dy by dt is equal to what? 2. So from here I can say that thing m equal to 2. So m we have identified. Just they have given a, usually what we will be writing? We will be writing dy by dx. So in place of x, what is that they have given? We are find out in d by dt, because they have given the point t is equal to 1. So from here dy by dt we have identified. That is nothing but our slope. So we have identified our slope m equal to 2. Now, so we have identified m is equal to 2. So m equal to 2 we have identified. What is x? X is equal to t square. X is equal to t square plus 1. What about y? Y is equal to t cube minus 1. So what is the value of t? T is equal to 1. So value of t is equal to 1. These are the given data. Given data they have given. These are the given data. So this one we have identified m is equal to 2. So we have identified m is equal to 2, x is equal to this value, y is equal to this value, and t is equal to 1 they have given. So what is the equation? Now equation of tangent line. What is equation of tangent line? Tangent line is what? Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So what is bending we want to find out? We want to find out what? We want to find x naught comma y naught. So how to identify x naught comma y naught? Just substitute t is equal to 1 in x and y. So you will be getting, we will be getting x is equal to, in place of t I am writing 1 square plus 1, y is equal to 1 cube minus 1. So what will happen? That is nothing but we will be getting x is equal to 1 plus 1, that is nothing but x is equal to 2. Here y is equal to 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So x naught is equal to 2 and y naught is equal to 0. So our point is 2 comma 0. So how our equation of tangent line? So we have identified the point. So we have identified the point. We have identified the points. So now just substituting the equation of tangent line. So we have identified what is m. We have identified what is m. We have identified what is x naught and y naught. Just now substituting the equations of normal line and tangent line formula. So what will happen? So equation of tangent line is, what is the equation of tangent line? That is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So what is y minus y naught? What is the point we are getting? Y naught is equal to 2 comma 0. This is the point we are getting. So y minus y naught, so that is 0, is equal to m 2, we getting x minus x naught is nothing but 2. So this is our equation, y equal to x minus 2. This is our equation of tangent line. So what about equation of normal line? Equation of normal line is y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x naught. So what will happen? Y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus 2. So this is our equations of normal lines. Simple thing. The thing is they have changed the derivative. That means using t you want to identify distance, because using t now you want to identify the slope. Just a little bit observation and understanding you want to know. You want to identify the rate of change of with respect to t only, because they have given in question what they have given, y is equal to t cube minus t, and you want to take dy by dt only, because here the representation, reason because here the representations are t, so you want to take dy by dt, that is also nothing but m. This is also rate of change, this is also nothing but m, this is also nothing but slope of the curve. Okay, so we are taking, so based on the y, when you are differentiating y, you want to see the term also. In place of term, what is there? T is there, so you want to differentiate with respect to t. If it is x, if it is a is there, you want to differentiate with respect to a. If it is w is there, we want to differentiate with respect to w. So these are the small variation you want to be known. Okay, so we will be going to the one more problem, that is problem number 4. What is they have given? We just observe why they have given. So given y is equal to e power x. So x is, what is x? X is equal to log 2 they have given. Okay. Y is equal to e power x. X is equal to log 2. So now you want to, okay. So now what are the things we want to identify? Thing is we want to identify what are the things we want to identify. First thing, what are the things we want to identify means dy by dx, because here with x, so I am writing dy by dx, because the term is differentiable with respect to x, so I am writing dy by dx. Then what are the things we want to identify? Find the equation of tangent line. So equation of tangent line we want to identify tangent line. So what is the formula of equation of tangent line? That is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. And equation of normal line also they have asked. So equation of normal line is equal, that is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x naught. So from here what you can able to know, from here we need the point x naught comma y naught we need. So how we can able to identify x naught comma y naught? That is using this equation, substituting x value in y, we can get y value, we can able to get y value, substituting substituting x value in y, we can able to get y value. This is the thing, this is the concept. That thing is, you want to identify what is the question they have asked. Find the equation of tangent line and normal line. So you want to find the equation of tangent line. So so when you are using the formula, you don't know about what is y naught and what is x naught and what is m. So how to identify m? So m, we know the thing dy by dx, that is a derivative formula. So using derivative formula, we can able to identify m. So then y naught and x naught, that is substituting the value of x in y, you can able to identify y value. Then substitute everything in the formula, you can able to get the equation of tangent line and equation of normal line. You can even try this sum. Okay, even though I will be trying, you can, even though I am solving it, you can also try this sum. Okay, so what is the thing they have given? So first thing, we want to identify m. So m is equal to, we know the thing dy by dx. So what is y? Y is equal to e power x. So what is dy by dx? I know the thing, we know the differential e power x. When you are differentiating e power of ax, when we are differentiating, what it will become? It will become a into e power of ax. What is here a? Here a is equal to 1. So e power of x is equal to, so what will happen? E power of x is equal to 1 into e power of x. 1 into e power of x. So m is equal to, we know the thing, this is nothing but m. So m is equal to e power of x. So what is x here? So what is x? What is x is, so what is x? So what is x? X is given, that is x is equal to log 2. So x is equal to log 2. So m equal to e power log 2. That is exponential, taking exponential, that is taking exponential in log will be cancelling. That is, log will be cancelled. That is taking exponential. When you're taking exponential, that is e power in log will be cancelled and the value will be replying. That is nothing but e power log a is equal to a only. That is e power of log a is equal to a only. This is the formula, e power of log a is equal to a only. That is taking exponential, the log will be cancelling, or we can say the thing, it is neglected. Log will be neglected and the value only will be remain. Log will be neglected, the value only will be remain. Neglected, the value only will be remain. So e power log a is equal to a only. So from here I can able to say, so e power log a is equal to a only, because taking exponential on log, log will be neglected. That is log will be neglected. So what we will be getting? We will be getting e power of log a is equal to a only. Similarly, what here we will be getting? That is m is equal to 2 only. So here m is equal to 2 only. Here a is what? A is equal to 2. So m equal to 2. So we have identified what is the value of m. So m we have identified. Now what is the thing we want to identify? So m equal to 2 we have identified. So what is the thing they have given? So now we want to identify the points. The points are x naught comma y naught we want to identify. We know the thing y is equal to e power of x and x is equal to what? Log 2. So substituting, we know the point x is equal to log 2. So substituting x value in y. So what will happen? Y is equal to e power of log 2. What is e power of log 2? Nothing but 2. So we have getting the point. So what is the point we are getting? So our point x naught comma y naught is equal to log 2. That is x is equal to log 2 they have given. And what is y? Y naught is equal to, we are getting 2. So our point is log 2 comma 2. So what is the equation? The equation of tangent line. Equation of tangent line is what? Equation of tangent line is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So what is the answer? So that is y minus 2. That is y naught is equal to 2 is equal to what is m? M equal to 2, x minus log 2. So this is your equation of tangent line. This is equation of tangent line. So what about equation of normal line? So equation of normal line is y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x naught. So what is y naught? Y naught is nothing but 2. Y naught is nothing but 2. 1 minus 2, m is equal to 2, x minus log 2. So this is our equation of normal line. So what are the things you want to identify? Whenever in question they are asking about equation of normal line or equation of tangent line, you want to identify the points, comma, dy by dx. Then substitute in the formula or equation of tangent line and normal line. This is the thing. This much thing if you do means you can able to score how much mark? 4 or 5 marks. So very simple topic you can able to score 4 or very simple topic you can able to score 4 or 5 marks. Very easy topic. Very simple thing. The thing you want to recollect is equation of tangent line and equation of normal line, and you know the formula of dy by dx. Derivative you know the thing, and using point I have told you how to identify the point. At least any one of the point they will be giving. Substitute that one point in another, you will be able to identify the another value. That's the thing. Okay, this is one of the high yielding topic, that is equation of normal line and equation of tangent line. From here you can expect 4 or 5 mark. Okay, we will be going to the another one high yielding area. There you can expect 3 or 4 mark. That is nothing but linearization. So linearization topic. See, linearization, I told you, this is also a 3 mark or a 4 mark sum you can expect. See, linearization also, you want to know the formula only, that is L of x, that is linearization. L of x is equal to f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. This is very simple only. You want to know the formula, that is very simply you can able to write. That is linearization of x is equal to f of a. First time f of a plus f dash, that is. So what is the formula? Formula is nothing but L of x is equal to, that is linearization is equal to L f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. Very simple. You want to recollect the formula. Just take a paper and write it each and everything. What is the formula of chain rule? What is the formula of equation of tangent line? What is the formula of equation of normal line? Linearization formula. This procedure, everything, the derivatives, everything are simple thing. What is FA? Just you. What is FA? FA is nothing but they will be giving f of x. So replacing x in place of x, what you are going to write? You are going to write f of a. So similarly, what is f dash of a? That is f dash of a means derivatives, that is dy by dx. That is the thing. Then this is normal formula x minus a. That's the thing. Very simple formula. You want to write, take a piece of paper, and write the formula, and just you want to recollect and revise it multiple times. It is enough. That's the thing. So what is the formula they have? And it is a high yielding topic. Just little bit effort if you put from your side, if you put high yielding area. Okay. So what is the formula they are giving? So we know the thing. What is the thing they have given? They have given step number 1. They have given f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x plus 3. So this is the thing they have given, and they are also given a is equal to 2. So everything they have given, and they also mentioned, if you carefully observe, they have also mentioned x is equal to a. That means in place of x you can able to write a. So that's the thing. So what is the thing they have asked? Linearization. So what is the thing in your mind? It should be strike linearization. L of x is equal to what? F of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. Very easy formula. Very easy to recollect. So what is f of a? So f of x, what they have given? F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x plus 3. So what is f of a? F of a is none other. F of a is equal to, in place of x, just substitute a. So what will happen? In place of x, replace a. Just replace a. So it will be a cube minus 2a plus 3. 2a plus 3. So what is they have given us a a? What is they have given us a? Here a is equal to 2 they have given. So that means, that is f of a is equal to a cube minus 2a plus 3. So in place of a, what? In place of a equal to 2 they have given. in place of a equal to 2 you just write. That is just replacing, this is very simple, just you want to replace. In place of a you want to replace x, that is 2 is equal. In place of a you want to replace 2, that is 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 plus 3. So what will happen? That is nothing but 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. So what will happen? So when you are subtracting 8 minus 4, that is 4 plus 3. So f of 2 is what? You will be getting f of 2 as a 7. So one of the value we have identified. F of a is what? F of a we have identified as a 7. So next thing formula, what is the next thing we want to write? F dash of x. That means just differentiate this one. Think what you want to do. That is f of x is equal to what? X cube minus 2x plus 3. What is the? Just differentiate this one. When we are differentiating, that is, what will happen? This is cube. Here n equal to what? Here n equal to 3. So what will happen? What is the formula? We know the thing. X power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So what will happen? N equal to 3 means 3 into x power n minus 1. That is 3 minus 1 minus 2 into x power 1. So x power 1 means 1 into x power 1 minus 1. We know that thing. What is x power 0? That is nothing but 1 plus constant. That will be, when you are differentiating constant, it will become 0. So what will happen? F dash of x is equal to 3 into x square. 3 into x square minus 2 into, here it will become 1. So 1 it will become. So just now we have identified what is f dash of x. We have identified what is f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 2. Now what we want to know? We want to change the symbol. That's the thing. Changing the symbol a. That's the thing we want to do. That is nothing but f of a is equal to 3 into a square minus 2. So f of a is equal to 3 into a square. F of a is equal to 3a square minus 2. So f of dash of a is equal to 3a square minus 2. So now what is a? We know the thing a is equal to 2. We know the thing a is equal to 2. So what will happen? 3 into 2 the whole square minus 2. So what is the thing? 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 2. So you will be getting 12 minus 2. It is nothing but 10. That is f dash of 2 is equal to 10 we are getting. So according to the formula, what we have to find out? So now what is the formula? That is L of x is equal to nothing but f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. So what is L of x? L of x is equal to f of a. F of a is nothing but 7 plus f dash of a is 10 into x minus a. What is a? A they have given 2. So what is L of x? L of x is equal to 7 plus 10 into x, multiplying this 10 inside. So it will become 10x minus 20. So it will become 10x minus 13. That is, when you are subtracting this one, you will be getting 10x minus 13. This is our linearization equation. This much only. Very simple thing. You want to know the formula. That is the thing. If you know the formula, just to find out f of a, f dash of a, just replacing in the formula, you will be getting the answer. That's the thing. This is very, very simple thing. So we will be going to the problem number 2 also. What is the thing they have given? They have given, so linearization, find the linearization. So what is the thing you want to find out? The L of x is equal to, that is nothing but f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. X minus a. So what is a they have given? Given a is equal to minus 4. That is given a is equal to minus 4. So we can replace this formula into L of x is equal to f of minus 4 plus f dash of minus 4 into x minus into minus 4. So this is the thing we can replace the formula. So what is the thing we want to identify? F of minus 4. F of minus 4, f dash of minus 4 we want to identify. So what is the thing they have given? So in question they have given f of x is equal to root x square plus 9. So in place of x, put x is equal to minus 4. In place of x, put x is equal to minus 4. What will happen? So f of minus 4 is equal to root minus 4 the whole square. In place of x means x here it is square. So minus 4 the whole square. Minus 4 the whole square plus 9. So what will happen? It will become root 4 square means 16 plus 9. So it is f of minus 4 is equal to 25, root 25. What is root 25? Root 25 we can able to say 5 into 5, that is 5 square, root 5 square. I already told you square root and square will be cancelling, so we will be getting f of minus 4 is equal to 5. So we got f of minus 4. Now we want to identify f dash of minus 4. So for getting f dash of minus 4, what we can able to do? So just to derivate, just differentiate f dash. So f dash of x is what? F dash of x is equal to what? So f dash of x, if you f dash of f, if we f dash of f dash of x, if we identify, we can easily identify the value of f dash of minus 4. So what is the thing we want to know? We want to derivate, we want to differentiate. So it is nothing but we can make it very simple, that is f of x is equal to, I am taking it as a very simple form, that is x square plus 9, I am taking it as a 1 by 2. Now it is in which form? X power, just take consider say x power n form. So what is the formula? That is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. So what will happen? That is nothing but f dash of x is equal to n. What is n? N equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into x square plus 9, 1 by 2 minus 1. So what will happen? So chain rules on. So x square. Now this term is bending. Now x square is bending. So what will happen? Now x square is bending. So what will happen? After completing this one, what is bending? X square. So that is when x square is differentiating, we will be getting 2x. X square, when we are differentiating, we will be getting 2x. So what is saying? F dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 x square plus 9. So 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1, what will happen? LCM, taking LCM, we will be getting 2, 1 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 2x to 2x. So what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will be cancelling. So f dash of x is equal to x square plus 9 into minus 1 by 2 into x. So what is the value of f? Now what is the value of f dash? So what is the value of f dash? F dash is equal to, now we want to know the what is the value of, now we want to know the value of, in place of x I am putting minus 4, in place of x, in place of x I am putting minus 4. What will happen? That is f dash of x of minus 4 is equal to, what will happen? Minus 4 the whole square plus 9 into minus 1 by 2 minus 4. So what I will be getting? So what I will be getting? I will be getting f dash of minus 4 is equal to, that is nothing but I will be getting 16 plus 9 minus 1 by 2 into minus 4. So what is that? Is f dash of minus 4 is equal to, that is I am getting 25 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. This is bracket. So I can able to say f dash of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into 25 by 1 by 2, 25 by 1 by 2. See here it is a negative symbol. If you observe very carefully, here negative symbol means, I already told you, negative symbol means we can take it into the denominator. Negative symbol means, negative symbol means we can take it into denominator, we can take it into denominator we can able to take. So negative symbol, so we can take it into the denominator. So that is, it will convert into f dash of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 25 root 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we can say the thing root 1 by 2. So therefore f dash of minus 4 it can be written as minus 4 root 25. So what is root 25? Already we know that thing, it is nothing but 5. So minus 4 by 5. So this is our f dash of minus 4. Now substituting formula, substituting formula. So substituting formula. So what we will be getting? What is our formula? That is L of x is equal to f of minus 4 plus f dash of minus 4 into x minus into minus 4. So what we will be getting? That is nothing but what is f of minus 4? So f of minus 4 is 5. So f of minus 4 is 5 plus f dash of this thing is minus 4 minus 4 5. So minus 4 5, this is x, minus into minus it will become plus 4. So our answer is 5 minus 4 by 5 into x plus 4. So when you are solving it taking LCM, we will be getting 25 minus 4 into x plus 4 divided by 5. So what is the thing you will be getting? 25 minus 4x minus 16 divided by 5, that is none other than your L of x will be minus 4x plus 9 divided by 5. This is our L of x answer. This is our L of x answer. Very simple thing only. You want to identify f of a, f dash of a, that is a derivative. You want to just replacing, then solving and then put it in the formula. Just solving and putting into the formula. You want to know is derivative formula. That's the thing. So we will be going to the one more sum also. So problem number 3. So in problem number 3, if you observe, what is the thing they have given? So we know this formula L of x is equal to linearization. They have asked linearization. Linearization is f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. So this is the formula. So what is they have given? F of x is equal to, they have given tan x. But what is they have asked? They have asked a is equal to pi. Our formula will be changing to L of x is equal to, that is L of x is equal to f of pi plus f dash of pi into x minus pi. So this is our formula. So we want to identify what is f of pi, comma, what is f dash of pi. This is the thing we want to identify. So how to identify this one? We know the thing. So what is f dash of x? That is f dash of x is nothing but, we know the thing, f dash of x. What is differentiation value of tan x? What is the differentiative value of tan x? The value of tan x is what? That is nothing but secant square x. That is nothing but secant square x. That is secant square x. So our f dash is what? Our f dash is equal to secant square x. So what is f dash of pi? That is nothing but secant square of pi. What is secant square of pi? Secant square of pi is nothing but 1. So secant square of pi is nothing but 1. So from here, what is f of pi? F of pi is equal to tan pi. What is tan pi? Tan pi is nothing but 0. Tan pi is equal to 0. So what is the thing we are getting? So we are getting, so L of x is equal to what? F of pi plus f dash of pi into x minus pi. So what is f of pi? F of pi is tan pi. Tan pi is equal to 0. So tan pi is equal to 0 plus f dash of pi is what? Secant pi. So secant pi is what? Secant pi is 1. So secant pi is 1. So 1, secant pi is 1. So 1 into x minus pi. So what is our answer? Our answer is x minus pi. That is L of x is equal to x minus pi. So this is the concept of linearization. So in linearization, so this is the concept of linearization. So in linearization, if anything they have asked means linearization. So what is the thing you want to do? What's the thing you want to do? They want to write a formula L of x is equal to f of x, f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. This is the formula. You want to replace, second step is replacing x is equal to a. That is the thing you want to do. They will be giving you f of x. Giving you f of x. Just replace it into a. A will be some value. Just solve it. Then you want to take a derivative dy by dx. That is equal to f dash of x. When you are taking f dash of x, it is very easy to solve. Just you want to identify what are the things we have learned till now. That just you substitute in the formula, you will be able to identify the linearizations. Okay, this is the concept. Here you can compulsorily you can able to expect a 3 mark or a 4 mark sum. So we can able to go to the, we will be going to the next very high yielding topic is concavity. Concavity is a very high yielding topic. I have already multiple time I am saying that thing. It is a very high yielding topic, but very simple topic. Those who learn the derivative is a very core topic. So here if you see what is the thing I have mentioned in the question, if it is a f double dash of x, you want to identify what is f double dash. That is nothing but higher order derivative. That is nothing but higher order derivatives, or we can also say that thing second order derivatives. So very important. So if you know the derivative concept, it is very simple topic of concavity. The thing is you want to know is f double dash of x is when f double dash of x is greater than 0 means we will be saying it is a concave up. Greater than 0 means we will be saying it's a concave up, and if it is less than x means we will be saying concave down. Very simple to recollect also. If it is a greater number we will be saying it's an upward motion. If it is down, if it is less than 0 means we will be saying it's a downward. Very easy to recollect also. So now you will have a question, when f double dash of x is equal to what? Is equal to 0 means what? The n, when f double dash of x is equal to 0 means we will be calling it as a point of inflation. So there are three concepts in concavity, that is concave up and concave down and point of inflation. Concave up means what is the thing? F dash of x is greater than 0. When it is less than 0 means we will be saying concave down. When it is equal to 0, it is a point of inflation. This is the concept you want to know, and you want to identify the derivatives. That is the thing. Derivatives at that is also second order derivatives. Very easy to identify. We will move on to the problem. So problem number 1. So what is they have given? F of determine the concavity of f. So what is concavity? We know that in concavity there are three conditions there. Three condition. So what are the condition? We know the thing. First condition, f double dash of x is greater than 0 means we will be saying as a concave up, we will be saying. Second condition is what? F double dash of x is less than 0 means we will be saying concave down. And third condition is what? F double dash of 0 is equal to 0 means we will be saying point of inflation. Point of inflation. So these are the topic you can able to expect. Definitely you can able to expect as a 5 mark or a 4 mark. Compulsory problem, it will be present in your question paper. Okay. So what is the thing they have given? Concavity. So these are the 20. So what is the thing given? Given f of x is equal to x cube. Given f of x is equal to x cube. So here second order derivative. So first order derivative is what? F dash of x. So what is the formula? That is n x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So what is n here? N equal to 3. So you will be getting 3 into x power n minus, that is 3 minus 1. So f dash of x is equal to what you will be getting? 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now what is the thing they have asked? We want to identify second order derivative. So second order derivative is what? F double dash of x is equal to 3 into what is n here? N equal to 2. So that is nothing but 2 into x power 2 minus 1. So what you will be getting? F double dash of x is equal to 3 into 2, it will be 6. X power 2 minus 1, you will be getting minus 1. You will be getting 2 minus 1, you will be getting 1. So what is our f dash of x? So now f double dash of x is equal to, what is the thing we are getting? We are getting 6x. So this is the thing we are getting. So now we want to check the three condition. What are the three condition? We know the thing. Concave up. Second thing is concave down. And third one is point of inflation. Point of inflation. What is point of inflation? Point of inflation is what? F double dash of x is equal to 0. So therefore 6x is equal to 0. That means what we can say? X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. We know the line. So how the line will be there? Line will be from infinity to infinity. So what is the thing? So what is the point of inflation? Point of inflation is they have saying that thing x is equal to 0. So this is point of inflation. This is the point of inflation. X is equal to 0. So how we can able to write? From minus infinity to 0 and from 0 to infinity. So this is the point we are getting minus infinity to 0, and this is the point from here 0 to infinity. Now thing is we want to substitute the value. So when we are substituting the value, that is minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. So what is the thing we are getting? F double dash of x is equal to, what is the thing we are getting? We are getting 6x. So 6x. Now from here to here, any value you apply, any value here also any value I am applying. That means I am applying minus 1. So when I am applying minus 1, and here in first condition number 1, case number 1, what I am applying, minus infinity to 0, what is I am applying, I am putting x is equal to minus 1, or any value, any value that is in the interval of, any value in the interval of minus infinity to 0. In between, any value you can able to apply. I am putting minus 1, I am putting, or you can also put x is equal to minus 2 or minus 3 or minus 100. Any value you can able to put, but it should be in the interval of minus infinity to 0. So I am putting x is equal to minus minus 1. So when I'm putting x is equal to minus 1, what will happen? 6 in place of x, I am putting minus 1, 6 minus 1. So what is happening? 6 into minus 1, it will be minus 6. So minus 6 is what? It is minus 6 is less than 0. So when it is less than 0, we can say that thing it is concave down. Concave down. So first limit, case number 1, what we are getting? From minus infinity to 0, I am just putting x is equal to minus 1. I am getting concave down. So what is the thing will become in a second case? In second case, in second interval, what is the second interval? Second interval from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Case number 2 is 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, any value, I am putting x is equal to 1. So what is f double dash of x? F double dash of x is equal to 6x. So f double dash of 1 is equal to 6 into 1. So 6 is greater than 0. 6 is greater than 0. When 6 is greater than 0, what we will be getting? So 6 is greater than 0 means it is concave up. So 6 is greater than 0. That is f double dash of x is greater than 0. So that is we are saying as a concave up. So what are the thing we are getting? So point of inflation. What is point of inflation? Point of inflation, x is equal to 0. We are getting from infinity to 0. We are getting concave down. So this is the first condition. This is second condition, and in third condition, what we are getting, from 0 to infinity, what we are getting, concave up. So this is the condition we are getting. So we will be going to the problem number 2. What is problem number 2? They have given we know the thing concavity, determining concavity. When concavity is they have given, what is the condition you should know? The first thing is point of inflection. That is f double dash of x is equal to 0. Then concave up. Concave up is what? F double dash of x is greater than 0, and concave down, that is f double dash of x is less than 0. So these are the three conditions. What is they have given? So f of x is they have given x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So we know that thing, this is what we want to make it into second order derivative. We want to make it. So f dash of x is what it will become. We know that thing. What is the formula? That is nothing but x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So it will become n is what here? N equal to 3. So 3 into x power 3 minus 1 minus 3 into, here what is n? N equal to 2. So it will become 2 into x power 2 minus 1 plus 0. Constant term will become 0. So what will happen? F dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 2, it will become 6, x power 1 plus 0. So again, when we need second order derivative, so again we are differentiating. So again when we are differentiating, what will become? F dash double dash of x is equal to, here what is n? N equal to 2, here n equal to 1. So it will become 3 into 2 x 2 minus 1 minus 6 into 1. So we know the thing, what is x power 1? That is 1 into 1 minus 1. So what is x power 0? X power 0 is nothing but 1. So we are getting minus 6. So what is our f dash of x? So our f dash of x is equal to 6x power 1, 6x power 1 minus 6, 6x power 1 minus 6. So this is our f dash of x. So this is our f dash of x. We are getting 6x power 1 minus 6. So this is the thing we are getting. Or we can also say that f dash of x is equal to 6 into x minus 1. Taking 6 common outside, we are getting 6x minus 1. So now what is the thing we want to identify? point of inflection. So point of inflection we want to identify. So what is point of inflection? That is f double dash of x is equal to 0. So what is f double dash of x is equal to 0? That is 6 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So when we are taking 6 in this direction, 0 divided by 6. What is 0 divided by 6 is 0 only. 0 divided by 6 is 0 only. So what you will be getting? That is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 1. So x is equal to what we are getting? X is equal to 1. So now substituting the formula, what we will be getting? We know that thing here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. And from 1 to, we know that thing 1 to infinity value, and from infinity to 1 value, infinity to 1. So we can say that thing case number 1, infinity to 1, and we can also say that case value infinity to 1. So if I considering x is equal to 0, that is infinity to 1, that is infinity to 1 means I can also take, here it is 0 is there, no, I can also take 0, I can also take minus 1. So I am taking two condition, that is one I am taking x is equal to 0, and another condition I am taking x is equal to minus 1. What are the things are happening, we will be saying. So when x is equal to 0, what is I am getting? That is nothing but f double dash of x is equal to 6 into x minus 1. So what I am getting? 6 into 0 minus 1, I will be getting minus 6. So similarly here if I substitute f double dash of x is equal to x minus 1, 6 into x minus 1. So what I am getting? 6 into minus 1 minus 1. So it will be minus 12 I am getting. So when we are adding minus into minus, we will be getting minus 2. When we are multiplying, we will be getting minus 12. So minus 12 is, see, f double dash of x equal to minus 6 comma minus 12. Both are what? Both are f dash of x less than 0. Both are minus 6 and minus 12 are less than 0. So we can say that thing. So we can say it is a concave down. So in this condition, it is a concave down. So minus infinity. So minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to infinity. So minus in, sorry, it is a minus infinity. So minus infinity to 1, it is concave down. So minus infinity infinity, it is concave down. So now we will be saying in case number 2, that is from 1 to infinity. What has happened? 1 to infinity, I'm taking x is equal to 3. When I'm taking x is equal to 3, what is happening? F double dash of x is equal to 6 into x minus 1. So what will happen? So f double dash of x 3 is equal to 6 into 3 minus 1. So I will be getting 6 is equal to 2. So it is nothing but 6 into 2, it is 12. So 6 into 12, 12 is a greater than 0. So f double dash of x3 is equal to greater than 0 means it is concave up. That is the condition. You just want to prove the point of inflection at a point, some point you will be getting point of inflection, and based on that you want to take any value to prove that thing. Just you want to draw the diagram, that is from minus infinity to infinity. Just what is the point of inflection? If it is having 2 point of inflection like 0 and here it is they are giving 2. So there are 2 point of inflection. If a point of inflection, if the point of inflection is 2 means 2 point you are getting, that is 0 and 2, that is 0 comma 2 is your point of inflection, means from infinity to 0 you want to take, and from 2 to infinity you want to take, and you also want to take what is here, any point in between, any point you want to take, that is minus infinity to 0 comma 0 to 2 comma 2 to infinity. So this is the point you want to take. So any point you can able to take in between. Here I can able to take minus 1 also. Here I can able to take 1 also. Here I can able to take 3 also. This is just for our understanding purpose. This is just for your understanding purpose. If this is just for your understanding purpose, if 2 point of inflection is coming, then single point of inflection is coming means you want to take single point of inflection. Single point of inflection is coming means what we want to take means, for example it may be 3. So for example 3 means here is a point of inflection 3, that is from 3 to infinity and minus infinity to 3. So these are the point you want to consider, that is minus infinity to 3 and from 3 to infinity. So this is if a single point of inflation is coming. If it is a double point of inflation, that is 2 point of inflation, means you want to take 0 comma 2 is a 2 point of inflation with 3 conditions: minus infinity to 0, minus infinity to 0, 0 to 2, 2 to infinity. This is the thing. We will be going to the one more problem also, because this is a very high yielding topic. Now, problem number 3. If you observe very carefully, what is the thing we want to solve? The very simple thing is you want to take second order derivative. Then concave up, concave down, point of inflation. This is the thing you want to identify. Example, now you see what is f of x. They have given f of x is equal to minus 2x cube plus 6x square minus 3. So what you want to identify? You want to identify f dash of x. So this is the thing you want to identify, because based on this only the condition is there. F double dash of x is equal to 0 means it is a point of inflection. If it is 0 means it is a point of inflection. Then we will be taking concave up or concave down depending upon the point of inflection. So what is the thing we can able to do? F dash of x is equal to minus 2 into n equal to 3 means it will become into 3 into x power 3 minus 1 plus 6 into here n equal to 2. Therefore 6 into 2 into x power 2 minus 1 minus constant terms, it will become 0. So f dash of x is equal to, so 2 into 3 it is 6, so minus 6x square plus 2 into 6 it is 12x power 1. So again we need second order derivative. We need second order derivative. So second order derivative. So f double dash of x is equal to, again derivative means 6 into 2 x power 1 plus 12 into 1 we will be getting. So what is our f dash of x? Our f dash of x is nothing but minus 12 is minus 12x plus 12. This is our f dash of x. Now we want to identify. Next step identify point of inflection. Just identify. So identify point of inflection. So what will happen? So point of inflection means what? F double dash of x is equal to 0 is a point of inflection. So minus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 12x is equal to minus 12. This 12 is taking here minus 12. So minus and minus will be cancelling, and 12 and 12 we can cancel. So x is equal to 1. So we are getting a point of inflection. At x is equal to 1. So what we can able to draw a diagram? We can draw a diagram. X is at point x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. It is a point of inflection. We are getting. So from infinity to 1 and from 1 to, so from minus infinity to 1 and from 1 to infinity. So taking any point from here, in between here any point, that is minus infinity to 1, any point you take, and from 1 to infinity take any point. What is the thing you will be getting? So when you are substituting, I am taking here 0, in this here I am taking 0, and here I am taking 2 values. So f double dash of 0 is equal to, what is I am getting? Minus 12x minus 12 into 0. So what is our f of x? Our f dash of x is equal, f double dash of x is equal to minus 12x plus 12. So what is the thing if I take f double dash of 0 is equal to, here I am taking 0. When I am taking in this here 0, if I take means what will happen? Minus 12 into 0 plus 12. So f double dash of 0 is equal to what? I will be getting 12. So 12 is what? 12 f double dash of 0 is equal to 12. 12 is greater than 0. That means here I am getting what? F dash of 0 is equal to 0 means I am getting concave up. In here. That is from minus infinity to 1 I am getting concave up. Substitute any value. For example, I am substituting f minus 1 I am substituting. If I substitute minus 1, what will happen? Minus 1 f double dash is equal to minus 1. If I substitute means minus 12 into minus 1 plus 12. So minus into minus it will So it will become 12 plus 12, it will become 24. So here I am getting concave up only. Here I am taking concave, any value, any just two value, you just want to prove that thing. In between this limit, concave up is happening. So now f double dash of, now I am taking an interval of 1 to infinity. I am taking 1 to case number to 1 to infinity. I am taking x is equal to 2 I am taking. So what will happen? F double dash of x is equal to minus 12x plus 12. So if I taking 2, what will happen? Minus 12 into 2, that is nothing, plus 12 is equal to, what will happen? Minus 24 plus 12, that is nothing but minus 12. So minus 12 is what? Minus 12 is less than 0. So from 1 to infinity, what I am getting? From 1 to infinity, from 1 to infinity I am getting concave down. So there will be reverse. So you want to be checking every time. So we are getting 1 to infinity, we are getting concave down. So any value if you take also, you will be getting concave down only in this limit. So from 1 to infinity I am getting concave down, and from minus 1 to minus infinity to 1, what I am getting? I am getting concave up. This is the concept of concave up, concave down, and point of inflection. So this is the concept of concavity. So what are the concept today we have learned? Means we have learned about equation of tangent and normal line. Tangent and normal line we have learned. Equation of tangent line and normal line we have learned. Then second thing is we have learned about the linearization, and third thing is concavity. So concavity. So in equation of tangent line and normal line, what we want to identify? We want to identify m. So m is what? It is nothing but derivative concept, that is dy by dx. Then you also want to identify the point. That points will be given in the question even. Just you want to replace and you want to identify the value of point. So using this point, you can use it in the equation of tangent line and normal line. In linearization, what you want to just replacing what is f of a. What is the formula of linearization? F Lx is equal to f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a. Just you want to replace and substituting derivative formula. Just you want to, here the effort is, here the only effort is you want to make f dash of, that is the derivative. So concavity. So concavity, here we have learned three concepts. One is point of inflection. So point of inflection, concave up, concave up, concave down. So concave up and concave down. So what is point of inflection? A point of inflection is f double dash of 0 is x is equal to 0, and here f double dash of x is equal to greater than 0, and here f double dash of x is less than 0. Just so any value if you taking, so any value if you taken also in between the interval, that is minus infinity to that point of inflection, and in point of inflection to point of inflection to infinity. So in between this in between these case, if you taken any value also, you will be getting, you can able to identify what is concave up and what values are concave. This is the concept, this is the procedure. If you know the procedure and derivatives, formula, observation, these are the things, then you want to be practicing. If you know the derivative formula, if you are practicing very well, if you know the procedure, and if you're practicing more and more, it is very easy to get a full mark in this topic. So I have decoded what are the topic you can able to expect from this question, and where the high yielding marks are there, and here the high yielding marks are there, I have indicated. So we will be seeing in next module 2. Thank you.